Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajala Ukonrat Sangma hene kasngi habakren chinginong thok khubor hadin ka cabinet meeting ulai tho wa ka Sorkar jila kalawan ra ya ka wei ka bil ka badan kam kata ka Meghalaya Ropeway bil 8000 arpuar ka thong jong ani ka bil ka di banbu ya ka Ropeway hagi jaka jungo akai perthai ha ka baki nong wan jungo kai kila ban pendon kam ka Ropeway ka baningkong ka bakin sabu ka de ka Shillong pi Ropeway ha ka ba ka Sorkar kala Mang gomba shispa sau pho Klur tingka naga New Development Bank Ulaya thuru bahagini ki khendak tayo ki banwan kin sakhat tender no yakani ka bella menjor da ka kunhon menteri henne ka singi ka hnyo trik unai luar arhajar arpuar bat anra yakani ka bel syakiyung darwar thawan ka banwan banyatai bat banyo ajing menjor.
Apart from that, we have also cleared the today the Meghalaya Ropeway Bill 2022. This is basically a bill that is going to lay down the procedures for different passenger tourist ropeways that are expected to come up in the state. The first one being the Shillong Peak Ropeway, for which an amount of roughly about approximately 140 crores through the New Development Bank has already been sanctioned, and we expect that we should be calling the tender for this Shillong Ropeway project in the next 15 days to 30 days time. And so this act basically is a bill is basically to give a proper structure on how applications can be made for ropeways and what are the different procedures to be followed in setting up the ropeways, the different bodies that will be in place which will give the necessary licenses and permissions, and what are the different safety measures that have to be taken up while putting up. All of these are being put in the bill, and obviously this will ensure that a standard procedure is set in place, keeping in mind the overall safety of the tourists and the citizens who will be using the different ropeways. So this very important Meghalaya Ropeway Bill 2022 was cleared today by the Cabinet, and this will be placed in the Assembly in the coming Assembly session to be cleared in the Assembly session.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.